Hi everyone, welcome to Labshock 2.0. In this video I'll show you how to install the Labshock and connect it to the World of Labshock. First, what you need to go into the labshocksecurity.com and click this join button. You will jump into the landing page to login platform page. So if you are logging first time, please go in and register. You need to write a full name and email. Check box I agree to the term and services and press the register. I have the email registered already, so I'm clicking sign in. The same way, we are writing the email. After that, in few seconds, the access code will come to your email box and you can enter it. So today we are focusing on installation process. Now the process to install the Labshock is simplified and it requires less components to install as a requirements and also the time to start the Labshock. Let's go step by step. So first thing is install and run Labshock. This thing is moving us to the GitHub page, to the quick start guide. First of all, about requirements. So for Labshock is designed to be very easy to deploy. So all major operating systems are supported, starting from the Linux. We are mainly focusing on the Debian installation, but at the same time Ubuntu is also supported. Windows 10 and plus, Windows 11, everything is working. And macOS is also supported. And the only real requirements for the Labshock is the Docker. In this case, there is an official guide how to install Docker for Debian and Ubuntu. You can click the link. It will give you in all supported platforms where you can install it. And the same for Windows and macOS. You need a Docker desktop. In this case, you can go and download the Docker desktop that support and align to your operating system. That's all about the requirements that needed to run the Docker. So now let's talk about how to install the Labshock. In this case, this one we simplified the process, and now it's require only 2 commands. Let's go command by command. Let's open the terminal and paste the first one. So I have predefined empty directory where I run this command. So it's a cool command, mainly in all distribution it's supported. So you need to download the Docker Compose file that is inside the GitHub repository. So you can download in many ways, but this one is the most simple one. And after that, we will see only this Docker Compose file. This is the only what you need to start the Labshock. After that, go here and we have, it's one command with end, but we will run it in 2 commands. So first one, let's go and Docker Compose pull. So now we don't need to build, we only pull the portal image. It will go into the Docker register and download the required container image. And after that, the second one is Docker Compose up. I will go without -d. This one for -d is for run it in background. So we are going in Docker Compose up. It starts the networks, volumes, and container. And it also goes into different ARM architecture, but it's not a problem. So you will see the portal. This red one is about the license and token that we will connect it now. So it's not a problem for now. So trial mode active, 40 minutes. Everything is okay, so we can go back into our quick start guide, so we can finish this one. So run and stop Labshock, you can read it here. The same thing, pull and up, and Docker Compose stop. And after that we can go into and log in into the Labshock. We are opening a new page, entering localhost because I'm running it inside my own laptop, and you will see welcome back. So this portal is for the Labshock. In this case, we need to make username is Labshock, put some agree for the term and services, and the same thing login. This is the starting page when you are first time running the Labshock and it's not connected into the world. We have only one tab, settings, and at the right bottom we see that license is free, no commercial use. Next, we are clicking the settings, and you can see pretty similar picture that connection info is empty. And next we need connect it to our platform with API key. How to do it? We are going back into our installation and setup page on the platform. We did this step, we did this step, and we click the settings. Next one, click connect and enter API key. So you need to show the keys. In this case, you will see one user. I have more users as I'm an enterprise user, so let's create new key for user 2, for example, and copy this API key. You will see that copy to clipboard. After that, go back into the portal and paste this API key. Press connect, and you will see that some information will pop up here with user ID, client ID, fingerprint. You need to separate a key for different installation. We successfully connected the Labshock into our platform. Next, the access info is empty. We need to click the update info. It will go and load all the information from the platform and download all the necessary data about, for example, about the labs. If you see these 3 oil springs labs inside your labs page, everything is okay and you successfully connected and pulled the data from the platform. And now you can open, for example, this lab and press the load button. After that, oil springs air is not running. In this case, everything is okay. You connected to the platform and you can use it. Let's go to back to the install and setup. We did this one, so we click update info and connection is active and everything is okay. After that, you can, if you have some question, check the Wikidocs. It contains all necessary information about services inside the Labshock, and it will be also updated to a new version and edit. All the updates will be forward to this wiki page. And another one, join the Discord. It's all about supporting if you have questions. We are doing all the master classes here. We are doing all the discussions here. So please join and use it. So now we have more than 1,000 users. That's all. You can see also some links on the left side and some all support links on the right column. It's all about to get more information when you need it. But for the first install and connection, it's all what you need. So you successfully install Labshock 2.0 and connected it to the world. Let's say our new OT world, where we will learn and test and create all kind of industries and all kind of protocols and all kind of guides. And from here, of course, if you're going back, you can explore the guides, the quests, the zones, and also the labs. But it's another video where I will show how everything is working. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.